Kawan-kawan semua, kita tadi baru dari pasar, kita beli ikan. Sekarang setelah kita beli, kita dapat ikannya ikan gabus laut. Nah, setelah ini kita bersihkan. Setelah nanti udah bersih semua, baru kita bawa ke tempat penggilingan. Jadi kawan-kawan semua, kalau mau bikin pempek, tips pertama datang ke pasar, usahakan sama pedagangnya udah kenal. Yang kedua, pilihlah ikan yang segar, yang insangnya masih merah. Terus yang selanjutnya, kawan-kawan sekalian, bersihkan sendiri biar kita bisa memilih apa yang daging-daging yang mana yang harus kita ambil atau yang mana yang kita buang. Intinya setelah itu kita bersihkan. Kalau nggak dibersihkan nanti mempengaruhkan ke dalam pembuatan pempek. Nanti rasanya biasanya kami bikin rasanya kurang enak kalau kita bersihkan. Ikuti terus kami ya.
Of 1,000 merchantmen singing just to fill their emptiness. New wisdom was a choice of the moment, there for you to be now and not just to become. I put myself down just by looking up. Felt love from the caring of a woman, felt the loss of a fallen child underneath the sun. On the day I woke, so soulless one.
Siap giling, siap digiling. Giling dulu kalau ada yang masih tulang-tulang.
I could with my heart open, without the fear of pain it may find its way in. And if it did, I'd do the same all again. A witness flow of poetry in the ocean, and right along till my eyes met the lining of the sky, fulfilled enough to never question why. And I showed myself upon my own reflection of a world I'm creating that's affecting everyone. On the day I woke, I saw us all as one. You sang to me these lyrics as if they were written to the beating of my heart. If you can feel its pulse, it's not too late to start. But it's not my place for me to offer lessons or give advice to those who have their own minds. But to share with you the simple things I find. Oh, but still you held this message in your eyes. In a promise to myself I would express it, well, not knowing if I'm capable or if I would respond. On the day I woke, the soul song is one. On the day I woke and saw us all as one. On the day I woke and saw us all as one.